cause she took it home me. She in Calabasas cooking for me. I love the way she wear her hair, lace fronts and all. I love the way she make them stare, do makeup.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a 613 frontal wig, and today this wig is from my hair company, The Selfie Closet. Now first things first, I already laid the ball cap down. I put the makeup on the ball cap and the lace. Anytime you're using a 613 wig frontal closure, well, a 613 lace period, you always want to use makeup over lace tint because lace tint stains your roots and you're going to have brown roots. Now first thing you're going to want to do is cut out your ear tabs on both sides. The reason why I cut out my ear tabs first before I glue it down is because I realize I get a better hold when I do it this way. After you cut out your ear tabs is when you're going to want to measure your wig again and make sure your wig fits perfectly and that you don't want to have any extra lace at all. After you cut out the ear tabs, you're going to want to clean your client's forehead with either sea breeze or alcohol. Then you're going to want to use skin protectant if you have it. After you do that, you're going to want to apply your lace glue. Today I'm using Ghost Bond XL, and for my glue, when I apply the first layer, I always apply the first layer and I seal down the cap, and I apply 3 to 4 layers every time I do a lace. So I'm only going to show you the first layer that I did, which is sealing down the cap, and then I'm going to come back to you guys after my very last layer is dry. So my glue is finally dry, and now all you're going to see me doing is pushing the lace down. The first thing I do is start in the middle. I lay the middle section down, but I do not push it into the glue yet, just in case I have to move it. Then I work from one side to the other. I pull the first side down, ask the client to hold it, and I go to the other. After both of them are down, that's when I go in the middle and proceed to lay the middle down the rest of the way. After you do that, you want to ask your client to hold both sides while you blow dry your lace and you comb through the lace. After you do that, you're going to cut your lace in sections, and then you're going to cut it off with either scissors or a razor to give it a more realistic look. You see me doing this combing through the mold that I made the night before with my Lotta Body foam, and I just let the wig sit so it'd be easier for me to lay it down. And usually when I put my frontal wigs on, I like to put them in the middle part because that's the easiest way to keep everything aligned and even. Then you'll see me going through with a hot comb, making sure all the hair is out the way when I get ready to cut the lace. You want to work in small sections, and you want to make sure you get as close to the hairline as possible, because the more lace you leave, the more wiggy it actually looks. And if you're doing a no baby hair look, that's when you really want to mimic the hairline and not go off the hairline based on the frontal or the wig. You see me grab my Selfie Closet eyelash box, and only thing I'm doing is applying the glue on there. I'm putting the glue on there so I can apply it on the pieces that weren't laid down all the way. And you want to get a rat tail comb and put the glue in the spaces that aren't laid down. Now with this, you have to be careful. You don't want to put too much glue so that you can see it in front of the hairline. You want to put just enough. After you do that, you're going to wait for the glue to turn clear, and then you're going to lay the lace back down. I seen people work from the whole frontal at one time, but I usually work from side to side, like one side then go to the other, because you don't want to be doing too much at one time and you mess up. After I finished with this side, I did the other side off camera. And also, I thought I recorded myself styling the hair, but I guess I didn't. All I did was cut it into a bob. I did one side shorter than the other, and then I crimped the hair. After you get done laying the lace down on both sides, you want to spray the lace, so it got to be sprayed, and then you want to tie a elastic band or a head wrap around the lace to let it melt more. I usually set my clients under the dryer, but I know some people don't. This is how it looks after I got done, and now you're going to see the reveal after I take the band off. This is how it looks, and we decided to go with the no baby hair look today to make it look more realistic, because I don't like all 613 hair with baby hair. Sometimes you just can't use it. Then you're going to get the makeup that's either their shade or shade light, and you're going to go over the part with it to make it look more realistic. It gives off a really defined hairline, but it did not look like that in person. Now here's the end results, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have more detailed videos up for you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.